put it in and it saves water, which is great. And we're using it today. So now that that is on, I'm gonna simply take this, and it's got the washer on the inside. And all we're gonna do is we are now going to screw that on. Make sure that's nice and tight. There we go. Okay, now that is nice and snug. That's all we need. Just like that. Real simple. Nice and snug. Now, next step we're going to do is we are going to put this on. It's got the, make sure your washer's on the inside, which it is. And you're just gonna simply screw this on. This is really easy, just takes a few minutes. It's so easy. Okay, that's on, hand tight. That's all you need is hand tight. Then we're gonna do the same thing with this right here. Whoops, almost dropped it. So now we're just gonna take and screw this off. It's the last thing we need to do. Okay, that's it. The shower head is ready to be used. There we go. Now, let me take this out. You can see everything's sealed up. I didn't have to tighten it too much. You don't have to tighten it too much. Hand tight is enough. Let me show you the different settings. So what are we on right now? Let's start with, let's see here. Let's go back over fan. And there is this middle one. Not sure what they call that. There is the regular shower right there. There is the center. And there is the spray. Whoops, there we go. Okay. And that's actually off. You can shut it off, which is really great. This is the pause mode. It'll save you a bunch of water on the pause mode, which is really great. And I like that. I like that option a lot. That is a big plus for me. So, and all the things it does, it's really great. Fits perfect.